Hello friends. There is a logo, and we need to remove white background. Sure, you will say, it is not big deal. It's easy to remove white background, but there are 4 different colors in this logo. There is greenish blue, or bluish green. And there is yellow. There is red and orange. We need to remove background, while we can control all 4 colors. Suppose it is a project by someone that create this logo and you created, but in future that person wants to change any specific color. Then how to change that specific color? Let's see how to remove background and control all 4 colors in logo. First, we will see channels. Which channel is suitable, and it shows more dark color. Red channel shows dark. It goes to black, but blue channel is suitable as well. I will add red channel in blue channel. For that, first create a duplicate for blue channel. Now add red channel into blue channel. Go to Image, Apply Image. Change blending mode to Multiply. Working on blue channel copy. And need to add red, then in RGB. Channel colors are there. So, select red in channel. Then hit OK. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Move black slider to right, until logo is complete black. Move white slider to left, to remove any shadow. So, it become black and white. Here we have to control all 4 colors. Press Ctrl+I to invert channel. Then select RGB channels. Press Ctrl and click on Copy Channel to create selection. Come back to Layers. Here we need to select all RGB channels. And press Ctrl and click on Copy Channel to create selection. Create a solid color layer with black color. It's same what we did in channels. Disable solid color layer and see logo. Here need to create a solid color layer with white color. And press OK. Disable both layers for solid color. Select this greenish blue color. And remove all other colors. With eyedropper tool, select greenish blue color. Look at mask of solid color layer, with black color. Press Ctrl, and click on mask to create selection. Now create a new, solid color layer. You can see it pick same greenish blue color, which I select with eyedropper tool. Reduce opacity for this layer, to see other colors of logo. I need to delete them but leave greenish blue color. Select mask of layer, then pick a hard brush tool. I will not touch greenish blue, but paint other three colors. Red, orange and yellow colors. Make sure foreground color is black, then paint yellow, red, and orange, but leave greenish blue. So, leaving greenish color, I am painting other three colors. In this way we can control greenish blue color. Actually we are deleting other three colors. Enable white color layer. Increase opacity to 100%. You can see, we have only greenish blue color remain. You can make layer color blue or green. Same, we will do with other colors, so pick eyedropper tool. And click on red color to select it. Press Ctrl and click on mask of solid black color layer. It will create selection of logo. Create solid color layer. You can see it picks same red color. Press OK. Reduce opacity to see other colors. Select black mask of solid red color layer. This time, we will not paint red color. All colors, except red. Paint, including text. It is not red, so delete or paint. Remember, we will not delete or paint red color. In this way, we will get control on red color. So, keep painting other three colors except red. Paint on orange, yellow and greenish blue. So, delete all other three colors nicely, except red. Enable white solid color layer, and increase opacity to 100% for red color layer. You can see, we have only red color. You can delete remaining spots of other colors. Now, we have control on red color. Same, we will do for other colors. Make layer color red. We have now two colors, red and greenish blue. This time, we will do with yellow color. Select yellow color with eyedropper tool. Press Ctrl, and click on Black Mask of Black Solid Color Layer, to create selection. Create a solid color layer and, you will see it has same yellow color. Reduce opacity of layer. Select Black Mask of Layer. Pick Brush tool and now I will paint all three colors except yellow. Do not touch yellow color with brush tool. Paint all colors except yellow. As we paint before, for other colors. And paint greenish blue. In a sense, we are deleting other colors. And not yellow color. After painting all colors, except yellow. Paint or delete text as well. In a sense, we are deleting text color. Increase opacity for yellow color layer to 100%. Select black mask and delete remaining spots of other colors. Now, I have only orange color. Pick orange color with eyedropper tool. Press Ctrl, and click on Black Mask of Solid Black Color Layer, to create selection. Make yellow color, for yellow color solid layer. It is to identify colors. We have selected orange color, so create another solid color layer. It is same color, we selected with eyedropper tool. Press OK. Reduce opacity, and select black mask of yellow color layer. Pick brush tool and leave orange color. Delete all other three colors, except orange color. Suppose this is your project. So, you know you must have controls on all colors. Maybe in future, someone who demand to create logo. Maybe he need to change any color. So, you have control on all 4 colors. So, you can change any specific color. Delete text as well. Enable white solid color layer. Increase opacity to 100% for orange color layer. Delete remaining spots of other colors. So, these are all colors in different layers. You can save it as PNG. All colors are in control now. Orange or yellow color in control. Red is under control. And greenish blue is under control. We created white solid layer just to see logo. You can save as PNG, but don't forget to save as PSD. In this way, we have removed white background from logo. And same time we have control on all 4 colors. So, in this way you can remove white background from a logo and have control on all colors. So, In future we can change specific color, according to demand. I hope you like this technique. Until next tutorial, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.